Hey guys, so today, it must it's pretty boring nowadays, but I'm gonna be making an account to give away. First, I'm gonna be doing a girl account, then maybe I can do a boy account if if I can. Okay, so we are not gonna be racist today. We not red. I'm gonna put this in color. No. Get lighter. Yeah, I don't. Okay, so for the start, we are gonna put. You're gonna look like a noob for a while, so don't be mad. Alright, so I'm just gonna put that type of hair because I don't feel like doing anything else with it right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave your clothes because we're just gonna get. So I'll be back. Okay, so. I have just created the account. Yeah, I couldn't think of anything, so I was like, price me or don't. Yeah, so that's whoever's the account gonna be winning, their name is gonna be. And the way it works is you have to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then comment your username. So yeah, I've done that before, but I forgot to post it. Yeah, that's fine. So, okay, so choose. Okay, as I said before, you're gonna have new clothes at the beginning, but then I will be, fixing it up a little bit, like getting it coins, getting the account coins, and all that other good stuff. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're gonna make them white. See, yep, has it. This is gonna be an outfit I'm gonna make just out of this. Then the black. Okay, I guess we get to choose again. Okay, yeah, this is already a nice thing going on. So we're just gonna click these rewards. And yes, there will be more account giveaways to come. So yeah. And I'm not just gonna leave this account to be at this level. I'm actually going to be getting a coin, so by the time someone claims this reward, this account is like, there's probably gonna be about 2,000 or 4,000 coins on this account because of what I do. I don't know if being giveaway isn't being. Oh, given. Well, okay. So first we're just gonna go here and we are gonna change the clothes. I was supposed to be doing 5 Nights at Freddy's, but unfortunately it will not load me in, and that is very mean, and I felt very disrespected. Yeah. So, yeah. So, let's see, how will she look? Yeah. Okay, so basically, okay. Unfortunately, we still didn't get any hair, and you still get a new face or whatever it is. I don't know. Okay. We are gonna go ahead and get all the rewards. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm just gonna choose a hair and I'll be back. So unfortunately, we are too broke and cannot afford our new weave. Nope. So cannot afford it. So I'm just gonna do the old style way and go through the patterns. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to end this video off here because I need to get some coins for this account, but maybe I have enough for something real quick. Be right back. So yeah guys, in another video I will have to get the hair and stuff because I'm about to go get the coins on a different thing. So yeah guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more account updates. Also stay tuned for more cringiness. Yeah, make sure you slay every day. Really cringe, but yeah, that's just how it's gonna have to be. Yeah, okay, bye.